This video is brought to you by Restaurantware. In it, we're talking about sushi boxes, specifically these Sakura Vision sushi boxes. These great black window boxes come in two sizes. The medium is 8 inches by 3.5, and it's 1 3/4 inch deep. And the large, which is 8 inches by 4 3/4 inches for a more generous size, and 1 3/4 inch deep as well. The medium boxes come with a lovely orange and black printed pattern on the bottom, and the large come with the same lovely pattern in black and red, and it's a nice deep red, almost kind of a burgundy, so they have a really luxe feel, which is fantastic. These are perfect for fancy individual rolls like a dragon roll, or multiple rolls or orders of things like maki, sashimi, or nigiri. They have a nice, stylish, sleek look for upscale takeout. And since they're shipped flat, they're really a great economical way to have little boxes on hand to quickly pack up orders, and they pop up really quickly for use. So it's just a matter of folding out those sides. You can fill, and when you're done, front flap goes up, and the top just goes over to keep everything in place. So it's an easy, quick way to pack up sushi orders for takeout. They're made of sturdy, quality paper with that clear window that's really going to show off your beautiful rolls and help you keep your orders straight when packing them up. So these are perfect for sushi restaurants to use for takeout or for pre-packaged items.